So you're running Amazon PPC campaigns and you want to identify a new strategy for broadening the net and finding new things to target on Amazon. Hi, my name is Matt Davis and I'm an account director here at My Amazon Guy, and that's just the sort of strategy we're going to discuss today. So for those of you who've watched Steven's strategy a bit for a while, you're probably familiar with what he calls his Strikezone strategy, which is primarily a way for identifying keyword search terms to put into titles, text, keyword backend search, things like that. This is effectively the strategy that I've co-opted to broaden the net in PPC. It's a strategy that we've had certain success with here with some of our clients at My Amazon Guy. So I'm going to demonstrate it now. So pick any target, really. This is just Amazon.com. And we'll grab, doesn't matter. So boy, let's grab some clothing. Why not? And I'm just going to grab this, whatever this is here. Some belted, moisture-wicking hiking shorts. Okay. So in order to utilize this strategy effectively, you are going to need to make use of an Amazon data tool. So the one we're going to use today is Helium. Any of your data tools will work, but if you are using Helium, the tool we're going to make use of is Cerebro. So you go to keyword research, you'll go to Cerebro, and then go back to your listing, grab your ASIN, plug it in. Grab your keywords. All right, so you got your word frequency. Those of you who are familiar with this tool probably already know what this looks like. Organic rank, if you were a newer brand, you might even go 1 to 50, which is slightly different than Steven's Strikezone strategy, which is 10 or 20 to 50, which is a way of broadening things that you don't already organically rank well for, right? The things that you're page 2 to page 5 on, thereby you can expand the number of targets that you index for. If you're a newer product, you might want to go all the way up to number 1. It might be worth it to you to run sponsored ads on top of things that you already organically rank very high for. It's a decision for you to make based on your product, the maturity of your campaigns and your brand, etc. So, but for the purposes of this video, we'll go 10 to 50. And then word count, when you set your word count max, it's just really based on what sort of keywords you're looking for. The longer the word count max, the more likely you are to return exact style keywords. Longer tail, more specific, more targeted, narrower net, right? So for the purposes of this, we'll do broader phrase search, which would be more likely to be a 2-word count search. Hit apply. It's going to spit out a bunch of results here. You can see the organic rank is over here, right? We're searching for 10 to 50. So there you go, 40 results. And then I'm going to sort by search volume. And then I'm going to identify what I think are the most relevant targets. And most of these you can probably intuit, right? Men's hiking shorts. Search volume is what you have to look at, right? So once you start to get low, it might be worth it, to win, a few sales here and there around the edges. But generally you want to sort for the highest search volume with the highest relevancy. So in this case, you can see I'm not getting a lot of volume back on some of these search terms. So I might either, in order to get more, sort of a larger foothold, I might expand either the word count or the ranking filter. So in this case, let's try 1 to 50 now and see if that makes any change. And we'll sort by search volume again. Not really. But either way, this would identify probably anywhere from 5 to 10 targets that I could test in PPC. And really, you don't want a keyword campaign to have many more targets than that. So that's Strikezone strategy applied by PPC. I hope it helps you.